Stop by and take a look at the 2016 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, traction control, heated seats, power liftgate, quad seating, running boards, power passenger seat, Bose sound system, navigation system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.